Is she okay?
Take shelter. Another tornado is coming.
We're doing a building search as best we can, all the way to Central Street, and then back east side and west. And then once we complete that, and we have a pretty good sense that, you know, everything is okay here, then we got to post up for looting.
We were inside the South End Community Center doing a boxing clinic for Neutral Corner, and we heard everybody, we were finishing our training, we were walking down the hallway, and they started rushing us into the rooms and trying to close the doors, and the wind came flying through the hallway and blew the roof off from the inside out, pierced from the inside out. It was just really, really scary. A bunch of us, the adults, went outside to see if we could help anybody. There was people that were injured, they were in the street, they were crying. Across the street, the sheriff's department was right there, so everybody kind of collaborated a lot, kind of stuck together. Just a terrible situation, very, very, very sad.